Hi, this is Laura with WTI, and I have been on the hunt for the perfect purple bag for a while. Let's check out this set from Montana West. Let's check out this beautiful purse set by Montana West. I absolutely love this color and that this comes with 3 different styles of purses. Great for everyday use. You have a crossover body bag, a shoulder bag, and then a wristlet as well. How awesome is that? I love that you can wear these with so many different styles. Here I just have a jeans and t-shirt on, easy to put on and easy to use as well. I also love that you can put this at a country style as well. Great to bring to a country concert or an outing too. The wristlet I like if I don't want to bring a lot of stuff with me, just some cash, credit cards, and a key, and zip it up and I'm good to go and have some fun on my next adventure. So definitely something that you want to check out as well. I like that they're easy to zip up. Another thing that I love is the shoulder bag and how much space that it has. Look at how much I can fit in there. I have a large iPad, a book, and water bottle, and it all fit in there and zipped up nicely. With the crossbody bag, one feature that I like is that you can adjust the length of your bag. It's like a buckle style and easy to use as well. You're definitely going to want to get it. I'm so impressed with the quality of this bag set. Definitely something that you want to have. They have so many different colors. It's definitely hard to choose from. You want to get multiple sets, and that's my point of view.